Hello everyone, let's start with a new chapter today. This chapter is based on a real life experience of Jesse Owens. He is an American athlete who won 4 gold medals in the 1936 Olympic Games that were held in Berlin, Germany. Owens did not come from a very strong background, but he happened to achieve what no other athlete had achieved before. His achievements has made him the best remembered athlete in Olympic history. He specialized in the sprints and in the long jump. He managed to crush Hitler's myth of Aryan supremacy. During a time of deep-rooted individual segregation, he not only discredited Hitler's master race theory but also affirmed that individual excellence rather than race or national origin distinguishes one man from another. A journey of an athlete starts way before the competition, and it was the same for Jesse Owens too. He had begun his training for these games 6 years before they took place. In the summer of 1936, the Olympic Games were held in Berlin. Adolf Hitler thought this is an opportunity for him to show that his country is better than any other. He wanted to prove that his Aryan race was the most superior. He thus had insisted that since his athletes were members of a master race, the games must be held in Berlin. Owens did not care much about Hitler's theory. A year before, in 1935, he broke 3 world records in Michigan. He was well prepared for this competition. He was confident that he would win. He was thinking about carrying home a few gold medals. He believed in himself and his struggle in the past years to prepare himself. As Jesse went onto the field, he saw a tall German practicing for the same 20 range long jump category. He was surprised to see this athlete as he was not expecting any competition in this category of long jump. Hitler had kept this German player hidden till the day of the trials. On seeing this German athlete, Jesse Owens got very nervous. He knew that it was Hitler's tactic to undermine other players. But this had put a lot of pressure on Owens. He was tall, blue-eyed and an inch taller than Jesse Owens. He had a lean muscular body. He easily qualified for the finals right in his first attempt. This German player was Lars Long. Owen's mind was preoccupied with all sorts of thoughts about this German athlete. Thinking of all this, when Jesse entered the field, his focus had changed. His focus was more on defeating the German athlete. He was angry and he did not have his complete concentration on his game. This anger became a big mistake. He had lost one of the 3 chances as he jumped ahead from the takeoff point. It was further disappointing because Jesse fouled in his second attempt too. Jesse was completely disappointed with himself and he kicked the dirt a few yards away from the pit. Long sensed that Owens was making a mistake. He walked up to him, shook his hand, and talked to him casually. Lars understood that something had been troubling Jesse and assured him that there is nothing like Aryan supremacy. Owens was now relaxed. Long suggested that he should make a start-off line a little bit before the take-off point. This advice made a lot of sense and helped Jesse in his game. In the third attempt, after following Long's advice, Jesse qualified for the trials. He walked down to Luz's room to thank him for now. He would participate in the finals. Both of them spent time laughing and talking to each other. Luz Long broke his past record the next day. He compelled Owens to give his best and he won. He set the Olympic record of 26 feet 5 by 16 inches. Immediately he saw Long by his side to congratulate him. Both shook hands and Jesse knew that it was not a fake smile that Luz passed at him. Long was genuinely happy for him, even though Hitler looked at the two of them angrily. Jesse says that he did not just win the game, but he also earned a friend for life. This friendship was more worthy to him than the Olympic record he had created that day.